Apat ang aking umbrella. Ayan, I have to that hang outside later. Diyos ko. Ayan. Pahulay muna sa tanang saglit. Resting for a little bit. Sila tiyo. Ay, mga lubong po sila. Sila naluwatan nyo. Sure. Okay. Ayan. Hindi masyado sweating because today is cold in Singapore, a little bit cold here. Grabe, nangitim talaga yung ano ko, guys. Is the umbrella, it's their yung leather ba tawag doon? The material is almost na peel off na, napipeeled off. Ka-dirty ba, oy? Hey, look, is good morning. That's not walking now, already is sitting. Kiss earlier was walking and is explaining the benefits of showering under the rain. What's the benefits of showering under the rain? It's guys, it will take off the stress. It helps a little bit. Hey, kiss from Henry. Ayan. So early still naman. It's 7:51 only. So meron pa tayong 10 minutes to live streaming. Ayan. Henry from Keys. So what do you think, Keys? Is showering under the rain is good? And that is why the kids are you remember in the province, imagining in the province, most of the kids, they like to shower under the rain. So that is why, because why it says that it helps to ease the stress when you are showering under the rain. It's because you will feel like a child. You will feel like a child, and and it releases, like every day you think of something and it's busy, your mind is so busy, and when you are in the rain already, you feel like a child. So that's it. That's how the effect of the rain when you go shower under the rain. So it's how you also embrace it. If you feel like, oh, I will try what Alma said, I will try going under the rain and showering there, but you still you cannot let go of what you are thinking. Yun, ma-stress ka talaga. But if you are thinking that you're a child going under the rain, you're a child, your inner, ganoon, it's really helpful. I tried that one before, before, what was long time ago. I don't really, but it helps. And also, of course, rain is clean. Is this your house, Miss Alma? Which one? This? Near here only. I'm not yet there. This is the ground area. So look at the Singapore, guys. So very beautiful. Their soil is for sale here. Unlike in the Philippines, you just ask one sack of rice in the neighborhood, they will give you. But in here, it's for sale. It's per kilograms. 1 kilograms of soil is equals to $5, or let's say 350 USD. Ganoon yun. So I want to avoid the conversion, pero hindi mapipigilan, no? Conversion is real, guys. Baka nandoon na rin si amo ko. My amo is my house is in the Philippines, Stephen.